Hello, good night commenting. Here were which Lucas the best scooter in the world.
We work with the two best. Peter will show one wins. The winner will receive a medal. She sees señors. Danny, the winner!
Where will enter Lucas in Simon's is leave medals. In win is Lucas, is Simon is the Roser.